Hi students, this is Kameshwari from Nalla Narasimhareddy Education Society Group of Institutions. Integrated Campus accredited by NAC and MBA. My subject Geotechnical Engineering. Third year first semester. So the today topic ring foundation problem. Ring foundation problem. So first determine the here giving the ring foundation is of 3 meters external diameter and 2 meters internal diameter. It transmits a uniform pressure of 90 kPa, kilopascal. Calculate the vertical stress at a depth of 1.5 meters directly beneath the center of loaded area. So first write given data. First write given data. Given data. So here given data, draw the diagram. So two circles, internal circle and external circle. These circles, foundation 3 meters, 2 meters internal diameter. That means 3 meters external diameter, 2 meters internal diameter. 2 meters internal diameter and 3 meters external diameter. So outer boundary, this is the outer boundary. The load acting like this way. The load will be acting like this way. So here load Q. So internal diameter 2 meters. Here giving the diameter. Internal diameter. Internal diameter D is equal to 2 meters. Internal diameter D is equal to 2 meters. And external diameter D is equal to 3 meters. External diameter capital D is equal to 3 meters. And vertical depth Z is equal to 1.5 meters. And also load uniform pressure, transmit a uniform pressure, that pressure Q is equal to kilonewton per meter square. 90 kPa is 90 kilonewton per meter square. So what is the formula for ring foundation? That ring foundation vertical stress, that is equal to sigma Z is equal to Q into KBC. So what is coefficient? Coefficient for Boussinesq coefficient. KBC is equal to 1 by 1 plus R by Z whole square whole power 3 by 2. One is internal, another one is external. This is internal diameter and internal radius, external radius, minus 1 by 1 plus r by capital R. That means external r by z whole square whole power 3 by 2. But our formula represent as r and r, small r and capital R. But in this problem given diameter, how to convert diameter to radius? Yes, we have convert. So the internal radius, internal by help of diameter, internal radius r is equal to small r. Internal radius indicated by small r is equal to small d by 2. That is equal to 2 by 2. That is equal to 1 meter. And external radius capital R, we can represent it as capital R is equal to capital D by 2. Capital D by 2. That is equal to 3 by 2. That is equal to 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. So this value substitute in this equation. Finally, we'll get the vertical stress for ring foundation value. So substitute that values in the given equation. So 1 by 1 plus what is radius? 1 meter. 1 by depth z is equal to 1.5 meters. 1.5 meters. Whole square whole power 3 by 2 minus 1 by 1 plus radius r is equal to 1.5 meters. So 1.5 by z is equal to 1.5 meters. 1.5 by 1.5 whole square whole power 3 by 2. So the value KBC is equal to 0.5760 minus. So calculate this value and tell me what's the answer. 0.3535. So that is equal to KBC value 0.2225. 0.2225. So that KBC value substitute in vertical stress sigma z is equal to Q into KBC. What is value of Q? That is equal to load. Q is equal to 90 into 0.2225. That is equal to 20.02 units. Units will be very important. Otherwise, we will ask the 1 kilo Newton per meter square. So this is the problem. Ring foundation, it is given as external diameter and internal diameter, and also pressure and depth. So but our formula is in radius. By taking the help of internal diameter and external diameter, we'll change as internal radius and external radius. R is equal to 1 meter, capital R is equal to 1.5 meters. Thus value substitute in the particular formula, and finally we'll get the stress. Sigma Z is equal to 20.02 kilonewton per meter square.